But I've seen it like I think the really worst one, it actually cracked the pipes. So I couldn't do anything about that. That was right a few years back.
Is that expensive to fix?
Yeah. You see like right here? The water comes in from here, right?
Mm-hmm.
And goes into this, and then it delivers it into the sprinkler system. So this goes
That
down.
freezes.
Yeah, this can freeze. This can freeze. Have you noticed these pipes are new?
Yeah.
So I want to try and clear as much water as I can, but sometimes when the freeze isn't like really, really bad, this is the housing that breaks. It's got a seal in there. It's got a seal that'll freeze up, crack. So what I want to do is I already cleared the pipes best I could with turning on the sprinkler system. Now what we do is just shut it down. Now so you don't have any water coming in from here. But you see, this part is what I can't do much about. You know, I did shut it off from the back, and I tried to clear it here as much as I could. I can't do much more than that. That's the main one you want to seal. I still close both of them, just because I'm just that.
Preparing for the what? What are we preparing for?
Pray for that winter freeze. It's gonna be the 20s. So then what you want to do is cover it. Cover this here. Oh wait, I forgot this over here. You see this over here? These little screws.
Mm.
You have to open them to have it. If you have any water there, you get it out. So right there. But you see, since I cleared it like a minute ago, the water's gone. So that's a good sign. And then, just try and cover it with it. So I won't get any water coming in.
That's just a regular towel?
Well, yeah, it's just a regular rag. Put it in there. So that in case it rains, you won't get water coming in, but you also will plastic cover. Now what you want to do, I don't know that I'm going to go, I might need to go buy some, but I need to go buy something for the pipes, these pipes, to protect the pipes. So that's where I'm heading next, to True Value,
Wow.
right down the street. So follow me for more tips on how to save your sprinkler system.
Okay, we're back.
We're back. Right. Now we went to True Value, right? We got one of these insulation, pipe insulation thingamajingas, and we just measure it here and put it in there. That's it. So what you want to do is put a little bit right there. Cut this amount. I had a knife,
Easy.
but I don't know what happened to my knife. So
It's gonna take a while.
we're gonna have to use some scissors. Here you go. All right. So you see it's got a little bit of tape here. It's got a plastic to protect a little bit of the glue that it has. So you want to remove that. And of course, we're all about the environment, right? So you don't just toss it. We'll put it in our pockets for now. We'll throw it later. And then we just come around this way. And put it in here. You open it up. Start from the top. Plant it away. There we go. Lift it completely, and then you put it all the way in. That's it. There you go. So the idea again is just to protect it as much as possible from the weather. That's it.
Because it rarely gets cold here.
Yeah, it really does, but you know, whenever it messes up, it's going to cost you a pretty penny. We don't really need to insulate this one. This is the main one. If you want to, you could. But this is where the water goes into the system. I already cleaned it out, so I'm not going to insulate this one. I'm just going to insulate this one. Because this one might still have some water. Because it comes from underground. And that's it. That's how you do it. Peace out.
Best tip.
All right. Another tip? You want another tip for that?
Yeah.
All right. Use your box cutter knife. So it'd be easier to do. Might also want to put some tape around it if you want, but I'm gonna do that because it glue's pretty good.
Thank you.
All right, we'll see you guys.